Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, welcome to Project Summit. This is my 110 scale Summit that I just got on a trade deal. If you've seen that video, it's my latest RC haul. And anyway, one of the machines I got, of course, was this, and I got a Slash, and I picked up a Stampede. And the Stampede, of course, is up and running now. And my wife is actually uploading video to her channel, so I'll put the link in the description so if you want to go check out her channel and check out the bashing we did with that, because that was actually fun as hell today. We had a great time. But my Summit here is in a state of needs to be repaired, and it's so far that I know I need a speed controller. And I did get a brand new motor with it, which was kind of bonus. I actually pulled the motor out today and laid the power to it. And I heard a sound out of that motor that I just really didn't like to hear. Even though the motor runs, I don't know also why the original speed controller fried from the guy I got it from. But there was a brand new motor with it, and I've tested the motor, and the motor is perfect. So the brand new motor is actually going to go in. And so as we get things cobbled together and, you know, we can test things out, make sure we don't need anything else, hopefully, other than a speed controller now, we should be okay and ready to go. Now I do have all the pieces, you know, for the top and all this. I just have all this out because I was trying to find the wiring for the old speed controller, because they had cut it off. Somebody had cut the speed controller off right at the controller. They cut the wire. So I was looking for the rest of the wiring, and you know, this thing is like really, the wiring in this thing is like really buried a lot. So I was fishing all that stuff out, but I guess whoever was last into it, they actually unplugged it from here, and I don't know why they cut the wires, but whatever. So anyways, everything seems to be okay right here. So now it's just a matter of, I got to put my motor back in, remesh it to the gear, close that up, and as soon as I can test out the rest of this machine, then I'll know exactly what's going on. Another problem I had with it when I got it is somebody had replaced the half shafts up front, and of course I couldn't steer. I couldn't like steer the wheels at all, even by hand. You should be able to. Now I can. Also, the suspension didn't really want to move at all. So even after disconnecting the bars, of course, I lift up and it stayed there. Didn't matter where. So I was talking to a buddy of mine, and it turned out that we had to loosen off the end joints here, and just a little touch on each one, and they drop and work free now. So the next thing is we got to rip apart the front end and swap the clips from the front here on this side to the back end, push the arm forward so that everything goes back to parallel, because it was put back together improperly. So we got to fix all that up, get all that done, and a little bits at a time, guys. But I thought I'd do a couple little videos on this as the project on the way to go, and then once it's all assembled and ready to run, that of course will be our final video on this, having it up and running. And boy, am I going to have fun with this beast. This is something I've been wanting before I even drove my buddy's Summit, but especially since I drove his Summit, I was really itching, and the right deal just came into play, and I was able to get this thing on a trade deal, and I couldn't be happier. Because these things are not cheap by any means, so, you know, but for a little bit of wrench time, a little bit of work, a couple of parts, it's definitely worth it. So, you know, I don't mind one bit, but anyways, guys, that's about it for now for this one. And I just thought I'd, you know, give you a starting of our Project Summit, and as things progress, you'll see more. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.